The crypto standard ERC20. The average investor may find the world of cryptocurrencies intimidating, especially if they are unfamiliar with blockchain technology and smart contracts. Even individuals who might have otherwise been hesitant to invest in a digital token or cryptocurrency have been attracted by the potential of several new digital currencies. A basic understanding of some of the most crucial characteristics of many of the current digital currencies is undoubtedly helpful in assisting an investor in leading them toward the safest and soundest financial decisions, even though it is undoubtedly possible for investors to succeed in the cryptocurrency space without having in-depth technical knowledge. The ERC20 token standard is one of the key ideas that underpins a significant percentage of the market and is particularly important to smart contracts and smart property. The Ethereum blockchain uses a scripting standard known as ERC20. This technical standard specifies a set of guidelines and procedures that an Ethereum token or smart contract must adhere to, as well as the processes necessary to put them into practice. ERC20 can best be seen as a collection of fundamental rules and requirements that any new tokens produced in the Ethereum network must adhere to. ERC20 Prevalence and Importance. ERC stands for Ethereum Request for Comment, and Request for Comment is a concept similar to that developed by the Internet Engineering Task Force as a way of communicating important technical notes and requirements to a group of developers and users. The development of new tokens in the Bitcoin field has long largely followed the ERC20 standard. It has been especially well liked by crowdfunding and ICO companies. Tens of thousands of unique tokens that operate in accordance with the ERC20 standard have now been issued. While many ERC20 smart contracts have been used to produce non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for the purpose of an initial coin offering, many of them have also been utilized to carry out various routines and operations in digital space, ICO. The initial public offering, IPO, in the stock market is roughly analogous to an ICO in the cryptocurrency sector. An ICO is a mechanism for a cryptocurrency startup to obtain money from investors and early adopters in order to launch a new cryptocurrency, decentralized app, or service. According to a study by Yahoo News, several successful cryptocurrencies were formed using the ERC20 standard, and ERC20 tokens virtually monopolized the ICO bull market in 2017. For instance, EOS continues to be a well-liked ERC20-based token and raised more than $185 million during its 5-day ICO. Another is Bancor, BNT, which raised $153 million through a crowd sale of ERC20 tokens. Several other ICOs for ERC20 compliant tokens have raised millions of dollars each. History of ERC20. ERC20 was developed in 2015 by Ethereum developers on behalf of the larger Ethereum community, and it received official recognition in September of that same year. A developer or group of developers must submit an Ethereum Improvement Proposal, EIP, which details the additional functionality as well as its particular protocols and standards, in order to set a standard of this kind for Ethereum. The ERC is then created when a committee has reviewed, approved, amended, and finalized the EIP. Ethereum's smart contracts and other features are then required to adhere to one of the recognized standards. Although ERC20 is arguably the most significant and well-known of all ERC standards, there are other ones as well. Contents of the ERC20 standard. A coin that is compliant with ERC20 must be able to implement a number of its functions. Information about the overall token supply is provided by total supply. Balance of displays the owner's account balance. Transfer carries out transfers of a predetermined quantity of tokens to a predetermined address. Executes transfers of a specified quantity of tokens from a specific address using the transfer from command. Accept permit a spender to take a specific number of tokens out of a particular account. Allowance a spender returns a certain number of tokens to the owner. Up to 2 events may also be activated by these functions, including the transfer event, which occurs whenever tokens are transferred, and the approval validation event, which occurs anytime approval is necessary. ERC20 tokens can now be traded between individuals directly or on cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase. Thanks for watching.